Hi everyone, this is Nancy with Our Treasure Home, and yes, I know I have not done a Shed Wars video. I had message Robert. Let's see, this has been sorry if I don't remember names right now because the pain was really bad in my back and my hip, and I was down. Man, I was down. So I had also messaged. Oh my goodness gracious. See, this is terrible. And Robert. See, I had messaged Homestead Aquarius. Sorry about that. And this is middle of April, a week or so ago. And I was going to pull out. I did let a few people know, what my plans were because the pain was so bad. I couldn't even get out of bed. I was able to get to the hospital. They did nothing, and then went to the doctor. But that's not this video. This is about Shed Wars. So, with that, our good team member, leader, sit there and said that told me to do what's best for me, but don't get out yet. It's still the beginning of the season. So, you know what? I took my time. Yes, I'm still in Shed Wars. I'm not giving up, no matter what. Now, I've tried to do videos with my phone. This phone drives me up the wall, though. So, since I'm not able to do the videos, I've done this video 3 times and it won't share at all. So, I'm going to show pictures. This is a blueberry. Oh my goodness. I don't know if it survived that freeze another week. I hope it does. I got some things growing in here. I don't remember where they were. One is supposed to be oregano. I know that. The top one, I'm supposed to plant snapdragons. I still have not done that one. So, and then if you see over here, this is a spearmint. It came back. And it's doing really nicely. Let's see if I thought I had some more. Ah, yes. Here we go. Alright. See if I can remember. I know this is pak choi back here. These are flowers. I think this is a zinnia. That might be sunflower. See, I had a video and all that. But, I know pak choi. See, I get my list. But, yeah, here we go. I have to do some more pictures because things are growing. I even planted some corn. Okay. This is sunflower. This is, and that's zinnias. It's another flower. There's nothing in that. This bucket I'm going to start using to gather rainwater once all that soil's out, because that way when I need to water everything, I've got rainwater. This is a strawberry. And over here, I planted 2 sweet corns, and they are growing. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I was going to shout out a channel, Ernie. If I can look it up real quick. And there's so many channels, and it's just like, I don't have time to watch everybody. I'm just like, how in the world do we keep up with everybody? Ernie Hatmaker. They showed about growing corn in a container. So go watch them. So I was like, this year I want to try that. So that's what's in that pot. So far so good. I'll try to do a video of what we did out front. My son and daughter-in-law are the greatest. They helped me with the mulch, soil and containers and everything. So looking forward to a great year. If you haven't, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and ring that bell for notifications. And be watching for the next video for Shed Wars 21.